So it's restaurant review time, and today we thought we'd try some Chinese food, so we are here at Asian Star. So, on that note, let's go inside.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day.
Chicken lo mein for them, and then I would like the walnut shrimp.
What do you recommend? What's like the best thing here?
Sesame chicken, mandarin beef.
Okay.
What kind of would you like?
I love beef and chicken.
Mandarin beef, Hong Kong chicken, sesame chicken is good.
Let's do one of each, please. A sesame chicken and a mandarin beef.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. These walnut shrimps are amazing.
Already going hell, just pumping that gas. Third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records than.
All right, so we just finished eating here at Asian Star, and what we ordered was the mandarin beef, the walnut shrimp, the sesame chicken, and some chow mein. And I have to say that the walnut shrimp was spectacular. The mandarin beef had fantastic flavor. In fact, definitely coming back, and when I do come back, I am definitely going to be going with the mandarin beef. So I highly recommend Asian Star if you're looking for some good Chinese food. The mandarin beef is definitely a dish you need to go with if you like beef, and the walnut shrimp was absolutely delicious. So on that note, thanks for watching.